get my vitamins from Squibb. That's why I'm dribbling on my bib. Good thing I brought another shirt, 'cause I'm out to lunch and I'm wearing the dessert. I get my ideas through a straw while demonstrating Murphy's Law. You wanna hear something cuckoo? I'm out to lunch and this lunch is on you. How can you expect me to keep all the food on my plate when I need to see the menu to remember what I just ate? I've grown my own tomato out behind those Winnebagos. Just one more drink and then to work, 'cause I'm out to lunch and I just destroy my shirt. How can you expect me to keep all the food on my plate when I need to see a menu to remember what I just ate? I got some grease stains on my clothes, digging in those fried potatoes, and things just went from bad to worse, 'cause I'm out to lunch and I'm swearing